Hi, this is Olajide from CTF Security and welcome to a brand new video series where we will continue to solve the just concluded NahamCon Capture the Flag security challenges. In this particular video, we are diving into the intriguing realm of Regina REXX challenge. So get ready to flex your problem-solving muscle as we'll unravel the secret hidden within this enigmatic puzzle. So without further ado, let's get started. So on the challenge, we have author of this challenge to be John Hammond, and we have some information saying, I have a Tyrannosaurus Rex plushie and I name it Regina. Here you can talk to it. Now, what we're going to take away from this information we have here is this the Rex and the Regina. And if we do a little search and we said Rex, Regina, okay, we get information about the Rex Regina. So we have Rex is a programming language that was designed to be easy to use for inexperienced programmer, yet powerful enough for experienced users. It is an extension of the Rex language and it provides additional features and capability. Regina REXX is also known for its simplicity, easy to use, and cross-platform capabilities. It also allows users to write scripts to perform various operations, manipulate data, interact with different systems and applications. In the context of this Regina REXX NahamCon CTF challenge, the Regina REXX actually involves solving some puzzle with the REXX scripting language. So I will just jump into this and we click on the start button. Okay, great. So we get some credentials. As you can see, this is our password for the Regina machine. And we have our SSH command in order to SSH into the Regina REXX machine with this specific port number. So what I'm going to do is fire up my CMD just right away. Okay, great. So I have my command line here. What I'm going to do is just place it at the right hand side and I can place this on the left. Good. So let's just see the way from this location right here. I can see the users and see the what we have on users. Sorry about that. ls. I'm so used to Linux command, so I'm just going to dir and we can seed into my account and I can see ls once more and I can change directory to my desktop. I just want to run my commands from the desktop. So what we're going to do right now is to SSH into this machine right here. So I'm just going to paste this right here and we hit the enter key. So it's asking for are you sure you want to continue connecting? Yes, of course, I want to connect. And our password, I'll just type it in, user pass. All right, great. From the terminal right here, we'll notice that it gives us a specific directory to be user/local/bin/Regina, and this is indicating the actual version of Regina interpreter we're using. So I'm just going to grab this. Probably we'll be needing this version later on. I'll just copy it out and I'll just put it on the Google search box right here. So we head back to our machine and just view our flag because the purpose of this challenge is to get a flag. And this is the syntax of the flag. We have our flag, we have a curly brace, then we have some random string that looks like an MD5 inside, and we have our closing of our curly Great. So we're expected to find this flag from this machine, but if we try to interact with this machine with the normal Linux command, you see that this doesn't respond quite well. So let's say we want to cat, or I want to say ls dir. So all this command is not running on this particular machine. Since we know that we're dealing with the REXX Regina, what we can do is to look for some basic syntax of REXX Regina and try to execute it on this terminal right here to see if it responds to that. And what I'm just going to do is I'll look for the REXX Regina 3.9.4 basic syntax. Okay, so there's something on tutorial point right here, so I'm just going to fire that up. And if I scroll down, okay, great. So we have a command here saying, in order to understand the basic syntax of REXX, let us first look at simple hello world program, a program that just displays hello world to the screen. So what I'm going to do is to replicate this program on our terminal right here. Let's exit out of this. I can use the Ctrl D to exit. Then we can log in again, Ctrl D. So we can see how the program is responding. So the shell is responding that the ls command which we ran cannot be found. Okay, great. So what we'll do is we'll head back to the challenge here. We just grab our SSH command one more. So I can clear the screen and just paste it right here. So I'm just going to log in now using the user pass as our password. Okay, great. So I'll head back to our basic syntax, and we're going to use the say encode hello world. Okay, great. So I'm just going to exit the program now in order to execute this command. So I'll use the Ctrl D. Good. You can see that the terminal respond back to us with the hello world. Now that we know that this terminal responds to the REXX basic syntax. So what we're going to do is to look for how we can use this REXX command to view our flag.txt, which is what we're actually looking for in this machine. So we're just going to head straight up. So I'm going to look for something that has to do with handling of file input and output on the tutorial point right here. And if you scroll down here, we have something on that. It says REXX file input and output, and we're going to take a look at the basic command, how we can view a text file or a random .txt file using the REXX command. Okay, great. So there's actually a command here that has to do with outputting information of a single line from a document. So if you use the line in bracket open the file name, this will output the first line of that command. So we can say the line in is a method that return a line from the text file. This text file is the file name provided as the input parameter to the function, and we can see here. So the file name is the parameter that will be supplied, and what will be returned is the one line of the file at a time. So we're not going to be using this because apparently this will just output one line. So we're going to look for something that will output the whole content of the file.txt. So I'm just going to scroll down. So we have implementation of our do while loops right here. This is going to take our data, which is flag.txt, as the input parameters, and we say if it is greater than 0, then we declare a variable and we store the information of this line in that variable here. So line in example.text, then we're going to say and output our variable that we have right here. So this is going to output all the content of the flag.txt. So we're going to implement that right away. So I'll just go, I'll take my command one more time. So I'm just going to paste it right here. So let me clear this. So copy, and we paste it right here. and supply my password once more. User pass. Okay, great. Let's see how we can implement that. We're just going to write a do while lines, and we're going to save the flag.txt inside as a parameter, and it's greater than 0. Then on the next line, we can just say flag equals to line in, and we put in our flag.txt as a parameter, and we close our tag. We'll close our bracket, I beg your pardon, and now we can output the flag, and we can end our program. So I can just Ctrl D to execute this, and as you can see, this gives us the flag to this challenge. So I'm just going to copy, and we can head to our challenge here and paste it right here and submit. So this is how you can solve the Regina REXX challenge on the 2023 NahamCon CTF security challenge. If you want to see more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.